4.47, all the way to the top of the leaderboard, 208 miles per hour, and Marcus Butner, your new #1 qualifier, Tony Wilson. Wood, 385. You go straight down the racetrack, both of them. Just like something. You go straight down and not have to turn the steering wheel right here. .205 miles per hour for Tommy Franklin and Billy Albert. Almost made it. 935 down low, but it trucked off.
Struggled mightily first round. Massive improvement. Marcus Butner being the #1 qualifier now. So Tommy Franklin had a good practice.
369.1, right at 204 miles per hour, and John Burgott's 374.8. 199 miles per hour. Perkinson, 003. Being where you set after Q1. Both drivers go to the stage, Bowles and Scotty Gordon. Let's see what's next. 365 with a 4 for Amber. Wow, good run. And Strider right there, 370. For the 2 for Tim Papp, 369.0. Right hand side for Tim Molnar. What a session of